Okay, guys, so if you're like me and you don't like making videos and spending all the time in a studio like the one I'm in right now, that also always needs cleaning and always needs prepping, and you wish there was a quicker way to make videos, I'm going to walk you through that today. So, after today's lesson, it should be much easier for you to record, much easier for you to not have to chase people down for voiceovers. And hopefully, after all this is said and done, you will have the knowledge to mass produce videos at scale and be able to launch those. So I'm going to walk you through a few processes that I use, a few softwares that I use. And to make all of this happen, you're going to need at least 3 or 4 different items. I'm going to have all of those in the description. So that just means you're going to need an LLM like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude. You're going to need HeyGen and you're going to need 11 Labs. So let's get into it. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to go to is the voice. So if you're like me, I have multiple channels, and my wife and I run a channel called Dine the Map. So on Dine the Map, we have a lot of footage. We shoot a lot of footage, but I don't always have her voice to do my voiceovers or my intros for our long form content. So what I did is I found a recording of her just talking about a product that she liked. I took that recording into 11 Labs and I added it as a voice. So to do that, you just create voice, instant voice clone, and drag an audio file into 11 Labs. Now, 11 Labs is a pretty amazing tool. You can do dubbing with this tool. You can do voice translations. You can even throw audio in here and have it write that audio out for you if you want a blog or a transcript for a video. So it's pretty amazing. I use it for myself. I use it for Leah because I don't always have her with me. And if I am editing videos and I need her voice to do a voiceover, or even if my social media people, hi Monica, if you're there, are working on videos and they need her voice, it is easy. All you really need to do, and I already have her voice in here, so what I'm going to do is you just log into 11 Labs, you go to text to speech, and then you just type in what you want the voice to say, and you choose from one of your voices over here. Now, there's my raw voice here, and there's Leah's voice. So if I pick my raw voice, and I put something like, I don't know, this is a great tool to use, and I generate that, it will make a, wait a minute, my voice is not fine-tuned. It says, model. Okay, let me go to my voice real quick and see what's going on here. So you can see, well, you probably can't hear that, but let's finish this voice. So one thing cool about this to make this work, I have what is called a premium voice service with, 11 Labs, professional voice service. And so that service is going to allow me to just continue adding for it to have the best, okay, let me start over. So for 11 Labs to have the best voice and to understand you better, it needs about 2 hours worth of voice. That doesn't mean you need to sit down and just read for 2 hours. It just means you got to find MP3s, voices, things that you've done, and just keep uploading those voices into here until it understands you and it, has a good understanding of your voice patterns. So I have been doing that. So whenever I do a long video like this one, I will pull the audio from this video and I will put the audio in here, especially if it's something that's like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and it will always just keep updating and getting better and better. Now, it also makes you realize your voice pattern sometimes, because a lot of times I speak in a passive tone. And so when I'm cloning my voice, it puts me in a passive tone. So I might be wanting to say something strong and, directive or, strong and direct, and it will make me sound like I'm asking a question, So I'll be saying this is the best item ever. And it's like, this will be the best item ever. And I'm like, wait, So I always get frustrated with myself sounding like I'm asking questions, but that's just because my voice pattern is very passive. So it makes me think about how I talk. So once you have your voice in here and you want to make a, audio of your voice, all you really need to do is go to text to speech. If I can simplify this, this is a great tool to use. I will choose my wife's voice and generate speech. And there you go, that fast. We now have that clip and I can download it if I want to and upload it to CapCut or whatever my video tool is, or I can use it in another tool. So what I'm going to talk to you guys about next is how 11 Labs plugs into HeyGen. So HeyGen and 11 Labs basically work together, and HeyGen allows you to import 11 Labs into a video. Let's have some fun here. So with HeyGen is one of my favorite tools because what HeyGen allows me to do is, now that it has my voice and it has my face, as you can see these faces, there's lots of different avatars of me. Now that HeyGen has my face and my voice, all I really need to do is tell HeyGen what I want the video to be about, and it's that simple. But if I don't want to use my face, let's say I want to do a faceless or maybe an avatar YouTube channel, I can easily do that by just picking somebody else. So I can go to public avatars. This is somebody I use a lot in one of my brands, so I can choose her, and I can go to voice, and I can either choose her voice or I can go to my library, import from third party, and I have 11 Labs plugged into here. So now that I have Leah's voice, all I need to do is make sure her voice is the chosen voice for this character, and then I can say, let's make a video about my love for New York. I don't know. Include B-roll footage of, where was the last place she was at? It was like this place that was called, okay, we were in New York recently, and she did a few shots on day 2 of the Grand Central Terminal. B-roll footage of the Grand Central Terminal, explaining the history and some cool facts about it. The hook would be something along the lines of, while Nathan had to stay in this morning and work, I was able to check out the Grand Central Terminal. Is it Grand Central Terminal? Yep. And loved everything about it. Now, I am just having fun here. I could change this person. And what I could do is I could create a new avatar and just throw Leah in there. Maybe that's something I should do eventually. But for the sake of laughs, let's just do it this way. And that's all I need to tell it. HeyGen is going to take what I just told it. It's going to get my content. It's going to do its own research to come up with the script. It's going to add in the B-roll, but it's going to do all that with the right voice and the right face. So no more going to a studio, no more building a studio. Studios like this cost money. And if you don't want to do that, you no longer have to. All you need is a voice and a face. And if you have that with the HeyGen subscription, you can get that done so easily, guys. So this is an easy way of creating consistent content. I use this for long form content. I use this for short form content, and it is a life changer. Now, if I really want to go deep with you guys and jump into, my workflows, I have workflows that use HeyGen and 11 Labs to create a lot of my content automatically. And one such workflow is this one. And if you've followed me before, you know how these workflows work. So I create social media workflows like this, which will basically search news channels, generate the script, feed it into HeyGen, and call my voice clone from 11 Labs. And these type of workflows create about 10 videos a week for me. And this one creates videos for my LinkedIn. So my LinkedIn, almost every 8 hours, will have a new video of me explaining what we do and my concepts. And all of that is lifelike and usable. So lifelike that people don't know which is me and which is not. And I like that about this. But here's my LinkedIn. One thing to note as well is that, my following is pretty large on LinkedIn. I have about 4,900 followers. And that's because I set these automations up and they're giving real information, These are automations that I've created. And even these long form videos, like this is a long form video that I created on YouTube. It's about 15 minutes long, but also done through my automations. So this is another long form video. In this long form video, you can see that I'm talking inside of a studio that is not this one because that's not me. That is my avatar teaching about Marketo and things of that nature. But it happens and it happens automatically. That is the power of these tools. If you want to know about N8N and how to use N8N, just go to my Skool account and all of that information will be on there. This is a game changer. And HeyGen to me is like one of the best softwares you can get. To me, HeyGen is like the Claude of generation. Now, they also do voice as well. If you're saying, hey, Nathan, I have a limited budget, I don't really want to get 11 Labs and HeyGen and a pro account with Claude, and just get HeyGen. If you just get HeyGen, HeyGen has all of the tools you need. Not only can HeyGen save your avatar, HeyGen can also save your voice. I have HeyGen versions of my voice as well. And HeyGen can use your voice and your avatar to make the videos. I just like 11 Labs because they have a more professional voice AI, but HeyGen can do it as well. Now, if people don't know you, it doesn't matter if you can catch small nuances in your voice, but if they do know you and you're posting to a public branch of people, I would still recommend you use 11 Labs for that. But with HeyGen, there's a lot of great tools you can use. You can do course videos, avatar shots, where you just basically tell it what you want to be doing. It uses seed dance, photo to video, auto edit, which is pretty awesome. And there's a lot of cool things here that you can do. AI video generator, and you can even develop agents from here. But I don't want to go into all that. Those will be that separate videos. But for now, I just want to show you guys that with just two tools, with 11 Labs and with HeyGen, you could easily create all of the videos that you need very easily, very simply, and not have to worry about anything else. I do a lot of videos, as you can see. These videos are not rendering just because my voice is being edited in 11 Labs right now. I'm kind of like updating it. But here's our video being created. Now, if I go through here and look at this, it's letting me know what it's doing. It's creating a music track, it's generating the captions, it's creating a storyboard. It's going through, and it's even telling me this is going to be 1 minute, 14 seconds. It's going to be in portrait, English. We're all going to have captions enabled. So pretty awesome stuff. Now, if you're doing this, the average time it takes for HeyGen to record all of this and create the video, I usually put stoppers for about 30 minutes if I know I'm going to be doing a long form video. If you're doing something short, like a minute or so, it still needs about a good 10 to 15 minutes to render everything, which sounds like a lot if you're impatient, but it is not when you think about the time you're saving from editing all of this stuff in CapCut or Premiere or After Effects. It does all that for you, and it does it at a fraction of the time and a fraction of the cost, because time is money for me. So if that is cool for you guys, definitely check out HeyGen, check out 11 Labs. Both links are in the description below, and let me know if you have any questions about how to use these tools. We'll talk to you later.